a world that has actually diamonds, but for some reason it says it's built in creative mode, which is really weird for me. And not that much because you basically can get free stuff. And right now I'm adding everything I need just to get this diamond block, which are gonna make it 3 for less. And then we're basically done. All you need is cobblestone or stone, which is if you mine it. If you mine like stone, you get cobblestone, obviously. And then iron for the second one, and then blocks of diamonds. Oh wait, I forgot one. Wood. Because there's not gonna be well. The good thing is there's gonna be wood under the dirt. And the bad thing is, wait a minute, there's no bad thing, is there. And then I want to add one more block. Or I'll add more and then I'll get to the world, guys. Okay? Okay, guys, so I loaded. Ooh, there's a village! Yes! It was just right behind me, but the bummer is, there's no chest. And there's another bummer. Okay, there's only one. Right there. Okay? But let me just get what they have. And guys, this is not just the watermelon place. It also has, after I did, yeah, has that. And just basically getting a wood. And which is the best world for me because you can basically just get wood for yourself. And make whatever you want. And then, yeah, I'll just get on top and I'll get the stuff. Okay guys, this is how much things are. Just one pickaxe. Iron. And you can see how much it has. That is a lot. That is a lot. And guys, this is how the world would look like. First it's watermelon, then it's dirt, then it's wood, and then it's cobblestone. That's how I got the pickaxe. And then I got iron because it makes it better. And then I decided to do all of this with just one pickaxe. Believe it or not, but it's true. Guys, you should make yourself one of these worlds too. You can put everything you want. You can put obsidian or a lot of stuff. I got a lot of gold just to get golden apples, enchanted ones though. And bye guys. Oh yeah, this is the best world ever. Bye.